In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear specific browsing history entries in Google Chrome. We'll walk through this process to ensure your browsing experience remains smooth and your history neat and tidy. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome, your trusty browser. It's the window through which you explore the World Wide Web. Make sure it's the active window on your device. Now, once you have Chrome open and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You should see a vertical stack of 3 dots. This is the menu button, your portal to a variety of options that allow you to manage your browsing setup. Click on this 3-dot menu. A drop-down list will appear, providing you with numerous choices to customize your Chrome experience. From here, we'll focus on accessing your browsing history. Hover over the section titled History. As you do this, another menu will slide out, giving you the option to select History once more. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the dedicated History tab where your past web explorations are logged. You're now in the History page, where you can see a list of all the sites you've visited. This list can be extensive, but you have the power to manage it. Browse through your history and look for the specific entries you want to remove. As you find them, notice the empty checkbox beside each website entry. Tick these boxes next to each of the sites you wish to delete. By doing so, you're selecting the entries you want to purge from your history log. After you've selected the desired entries, take a look towards the top of the page. You should see a button labeled Delete. Click this button. However, it's important to proceed carefully. Right after clicking, a prompt will emerge, asking you to confirm that you indeed want to erase these entries completely. This double check ensures you don't accidentally remove something you might want to keep for reference later. Once you're sure, click Remove to finalize your decision. The selections you made will disappear from your history, leaving only what you choose to keep. By pruning your browsing history, you've not only managed your personal data better, but also potentially improved the performance of your browser. Congratulations, you've just efficiently cleared up specific pieces of your browsing history in Google Chrome. Keeping your history tidy helps maintain privacy and can make your browser run more smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.